It is on the PM report and it is a natural cause according to the doctors.
Justice, justice, justice. We all are fighting for justice. Where are the authorities? Where are the system? What is exactly going? What is exactly going to happen? The question mark, the big question mark arises. What is going to happen next? Because as per the system, the chapter has been closed. Yes, my friends, and the authorities have been declaring the case as a normal case, as a natural incident, not any kind of conspiracy or any kind of controversy. So, what can we say and what can we talk? So we are going to talk in this video, and let me first of all welcome you to our channel, the voice of youth. This is your host Harshit Hingon, as we all are fighting for the justice of late Samuel Sangma and Rosie Sangma. We heard the recent statement of the police as well, in which they are saying that it was a natural death, and secondly it was the Samuel's incident was a suicide.
Report of both the deceased is out and no foul play has been detected. Samuel Sangma died because of hanging, clear-cut case of hanging, and there were no external injuries also. And the lady Rosie, she died because of excessive bleeding, internal bleeding through uteric cavity. It is on the PM report and it is a natural cause according to the doctors. So now we can quote the doctor himself.
So what about the body bruises and all that were reported?
There were no body bruises, ma'am. On Samuel's body, there were 2 bruises on his knees. That is because he was on his knees after his hanging. So there was blood clot. It is scientific. There was not beating. Nothing was there. No one entered his room. We have checked the CCTV cameras. We have checked the registers of the hotel. There was no.
Now the parents of Samuel Sangma, they are not happy at all. They are saying how it is possible. It is not possible. They are fully confident that somehow it was not a suicide, it was a murder according to them. So we are going to ask the people as well, and I request the guys, do comment in this video what is your opinion, suicide or murder, and so that people should get to know the opinion of public as well.
तो आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे कि आखिरकार जो भी स्टेटमेंट आई है पुलिस की तरफ से, दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से, आपको क्या लगता है कि उन्होंने पोस्टमार्टम के बारे में अभी कुछ ज्यादा जानकारी तो नहीं दी, लेकिन उन्होंने ये कहा ये सुसाइड केस ही है, और उन्होंने डायरेक्टली ही ये बोल दिया, डिक्लेयर कर दिया है इस तरीके से, तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन है उसके ऊपर कि उन्होंने डिक्लेयर कर दिया है?
तो उन लोगों ने तो बोल दिया कि सुसाइड है, फिर भी फाइनल पोस्टमार्टम के बारे में उन लोगों ने कुछ नहीं बताया है, तो इसलिए हम उनके बात नहीं मानते हैं जब तक पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट हम खुद नहीं देखेंगे, या रोजी के भाई ब्रदर अल्बर्ट या हमारा गारो एसोसिएशन, दिल्ली अच्छी एसोसिएशन, उन लोगों ने अगर नहीं देखा, वेरीफाई नहीं किया, तो फिर ये हम अभी नहीं मानेंगे। अगर उन लोगों ने दिया है फिर भी हम लोग इसकी जांच करेंगे, और जरूरत पड़ा तो फिर दूसरा इंक्वायरी करवाएंगे। तो हम ये केस को ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ेंगे। तो हमको फुल फाइनल रिपोर्ट चाहिए, कोई मैनिपुलेशन नहीं चाहिए।
आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि ये 100% मर्डर ही है? क्योंकि आपने जब बॉडी को देखा, कुछ लोगों को पता तो है, कुछ आपने कई स्टेटमेंट दी है, लेकिन हम भी फिर भी आपसे एक बार अगेन पूछना चाहेंगे, क्या क्या चीजें आपको लग रही है क्वेश्चन मार्क जो के डिफाइन करते हैं कि द बॉडी वाज नॉट ऑफ अ सुसाइड बॉडी?
कल बातचीत हुआ है लड़कों से, तो पुलिस वगैरह ने फोटो दिखाई है दिल्ली पुलिस का बॉडी में, तो उन लोगों ने बोला है कि मेरा ब्रदर इन लोगों को और दिल्ली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, गारो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, कि बॉडी में कोई इंजुरी मार्क्स नहीं है। तो जब हमने यहाँ बॉडी लाए तो हमने इंजुरी मार्क्स पाया, तो माथा में भी दागी वगैरह थी, फेस वगैरह फूले हुए थे, लिप्स भी माने ब्रूसेस थे, लिप्स में भी, फिर लेग में भी ब्रूसेस थे। तो मेरा सवाल यही है कि एक मुर्दा क्या खुद को इंजोर ये सब मार्क करने का कर सकता है? पोस्टमार्टम का बाद में क्या एक मुर्दा खुद को ऐसा इंजुरी मार्क्स कर सकता है क्या? तो ये मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ। उन लोगों ने बताया कि कोई बॉडी में निशान नहीं है, तो हम लोगों ने बहुत निशान पाए हैं, इसलिए मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि बाद में इसको क्लियर कट इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो सच्चाई पता चले।
And apart from that, we even try to find out the facts, my friend. We try to keep on fighting. As you all know, we even went to the hospital as well, and we even did the protest as well in Delhi, and then we even did interrogation as well, and our interrogation and investigation is still going on. But my friends, as per the authorities, it is declared that this chapter should be closed, this case should be closed, and this is the justice. So what is your opinion, my friend? And apart from this, let us hear this conversation in which police is also explaining about the incident, and let us try to understand what are they saying. Are they saying something which you can understand or digest? Watch it.
There were no body bruises, ma'am. On Samuel's body, there were 2 bruises on his knees. That is because he was on his knees after his hanging. So there was blood clot. It is scientific. There was not beating. Nothing was there. No one entered his room. We have checked the CCTV cameras. We have checked the registers of the hotel. There was no.
So you heard what the authorities are saying, and now hear what exactly the dad of Samuel Sangma said to us in an exclusive interview, in which he expresses the sorrow and the misery and the pain and anger about this incident.
तो पुलिस वगैरह ने फोटो दिखाई है दिल्ली पुलिस का बॉडी में, तो उन लोगों ने बोला है कि मेरा ब्रदर इन लोगों को और दिल्ली ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, गारो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, कि बॉडी में कोई इंजरी मार्क्स नहीं है। तो जब हमने यहाँ बॉडी लाई तो हमने इंजरी मार्क्स पाया, तो माथा में भी दागी वगैरह थी, फेस वगैरह फूले हुए थे, लिप्स भी माने ब्रूसेस थे, लिप्स में भी, फिर लेग में भी ब्रूसेस थे। तो मेरा सवाल यही है कि एक मुर्दा क्या खुद को इंजोर ये सब मार्क करने का कर सकता है? पोस्टमार्टम का बाद में क्या एक मुर्दा खुद को ऐसा इंजरी मार्क्स कर सकता है क्या? तो यही मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ। उन लोगों ने बताया कि कोई बॉडी में निशान नहीं है।
Guys, you heard what the dad of Samuel Sangma said, and somehow now I just would like to raise the question not only on the complete kind of investigation, but I want to really ask the doctor as well. Dr. Bishnoi was saying the video was edited, but the video was live and it was a live broadcast on Facebook. How a person can edit a live video? And that is not only case, my friend. मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूँगा, especially to that Dr. Anjali जो कह रही थी that the girl had a language problem although she was an air hostess. अगर उन्हें पता था air hostess है, तो language problem कहाँ से हो सकती है? And not only this, if they were saying the language problem थी, how the Rosie asked the ice cream. अब वो कह रहे थे आइसक्रीम अगर उन्होंने मांगी है, तो अगर उन्होंने मांगी है या फिर उन्होंने ऐसा कहा है कि वो मांग रही थी, या कुछ भी हो सकता है, we never know what exactly happened. How that communication happened between Rosie and Anjali or the team of hospital about ice cream also. So this is a very big question mark, my friend. Somehow a doctor was saying that in the same video, in the interview of national media, he was saying it is edited video, and then he is saying, I just tried to snatch the camera, and then he said, then the boy starts shouting, "Mero peet diya." What do you think? People are mad here, Dr. Ji? And forget about people. When I went to the hospital, why your complete team ran away from me, and why you ran, Mr. Bishnoi, from the team of Voy? It is a big question. And how come you are giving the interview to national media? So guys, I request you, if you really desire some kind of a justice, share this video as much as possible. Let this video reach to Mr. Bishnoi and that lady Anjali, who is trying to divert or who is trying to say something which people are not able to digest. So guys, if you believe that we are together in the fight, and if you also want to join the fight, be a part of our channel. Just be a part of our channel. Just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. I'll be coming with more updates on the issue regarding what is happening or what gonna happen next. A special investigation is on the way. So till the time, I'll see you in the next video. And yes, my friend, do not forget, love always wins.